What if I told you that a single lesson could change your life forever? That the secret to success isn't just intelligence, but something much deeper: respect. This is the inspiring story of Arjun, a boy who thought he knew everything until life taught him a lesson he would never forget. And by the end of this video, you'll learn a truth that could change your life too. So stay with me till the end. Arjun was smart, maybe too smart. But he had one big problem. He had no respect for anyone. He made fun of his classmates. He interrupted teachers, thinking he was always right. He never used words like please or thank you. He believed teamwork was a waste of time. People started avoiding him, but Arjun didn't care. Until one day, his father said, "Enough, you need to learn a lesson." And he sent Arjun to a wise Buddhist monk named Venerable Tenzin. Arjun arrived at the monastery, still full of pride. But the monk smiled and said, "Before you go back, you must pass 3 simple tasks." The monk told Arjun, "Go ask for food, but do not say please or thank you." Easy, right? But when Arjun knocked on doors, the first house slammed the door in his face. The second ignored him completely. The third gave him stale bread and said, "Since you have no respect, this is all you get." Arjun was shocked. No one wanted to help him. The monk said, "Respect is like a mirror. It reflects what you show to others." Later, the monk arranged a debate with a wise elder. But Arjun was given a rule. You must listen fully before speaking. At first, he struggled. He wanted to interrupt to argue, but he controlled himself and truly listened. When he finally spoke, something magical happened. The elder smiled and said, "Now you speak with wisdom, not arrogance." Arjun had learned. Listening is as powerful as speaking. For the final test, Arjun had to build a bridge with 2 monks. But when one monk was slow, Arjun mocked him. The other monk, feeling disrespected, refused to help. Soon, no one wanted to work with him. Arjun struggled alone and failed. The monk said, "A single piece of wood cannot make a bridge, just as one person alone cannot achieve great things." For the first time, Arjun understood, respect is not just about words, it is about how you treat others. Arjun was a changed boy. Now, he said, "Please and thank you." Listened before speaking. Valued teamwork and kindness. When he returned home, his father spilled a glass of water on purpose. Before, Arjun would have scoffed, but now he quietly cleaned it up and smiled. Tears filled his father's eyes. He placed a hand on Arjun's shoulder and said, "My son has truly changed." Years. Later, Arjun's wisdom and humility made him a leader. He became the top student in school. His teachers trusted him with big responsibilities. People wanted to work with him, help him, support him. He was loved, he was respected, and he was truly successful, because he had learned the greatest lesson of all: respect. And now, it is your turn. Do you want people to respect you? Start by respecting others. Do you want success? Then be kind. Be humble. Be a good listener. Intelligence may open doors, but respect and kindness will keep them open. If this story inspired you, like this video and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Comment below. What is one act of kindness you will do today? Subscribe for more life-changing stories, because true success begins with respect. Let us learn the meanings of some new words from the story. Respect, treating others with kindness, value, and care. Gratitude, feeling thankful and showing appreciation. Reflect, to show back or return like a mirror. Wisdom, deep understanding and good judgment. Arrogance, thinking you are better than others. Humility, being humble, not proud teamwork. Working together to reach a goal monastery, a place where monks live and learn. Mocked, made fun of someone in a mean way. Debate, a formal discussion where people share different opinions. Thanks for watching. And remember, you got this.